Meet Drippy, a tiny water drop, ready for a big adventure.
The sun is strong today. Drippy starts to rise into the sky. Evaporation. Up, up, up. Drippy meets friends and forms a cloud in the sky. Drippy rides the wind, seeing the world from above. What a view!
It's time to fall. Drippy becomes rain and splashes down to earth.
Drippy travels through streams, saying hello to new friends, and finds his pond again.
What a day! Drippy rests, ready for another adventure tomorrow.
From pond to sky and back. That's the amazing water cycle.